Hello, today we are going to learn about one of the most important structures of our body, the human skeleton, and its interaction with muscles. The skeleton provides support and protection for internal organs and determines the shape of our body. Muscles, in turn, give us the ability to move, perform many physical activities, and maintain our tone. There are more than 600 different muscles in the human body. Some of them we can move, such as the muscles in our arms or legs, but we also have muscles that work independently of our will. For example, none of us can stop our hearts, even though they are also made up of muscles. Each muscle has its own role and works in harmony with the other. The strongest muscles are located in the jaws. They allow you to bite through even very hard pieces of food. The longest muscle is the tailor's muscle. In an adult, it reaches half a meter in length. It is involved, among other things, in bending the leg at the hip and knee. The smallest is the stirrup muscle in the middle ear. It is only 1 millimeter long. It regulates the volume of sounds that reach the sensitive inner ear. The largest muscle in our body is the gluteus maximus. Its function is to straighten the leg at the hip and keep the torso straight when we stand. Muscles that are frequently used increase in size because they have an increased number of muscle fibers. This is why athletes differ from untrained people in their stronger physique. Muscles, through their contractions and relaxations, provide movement of various parts of the skeleton, and it is also here that the storage substance glycogen is stored in these structures. If necessary, it is broken down into glucose, which is the main source of energy in the body. The human skeleton has the following parts: the skull, the skeleton of the trunk, consisting of the spine and chest, the upper limb girdle, which includes the shoulder blade, and clavicle lower limb girdle, which includes the pelvic bones, free upper limb and free lower limb. An adult has 206 bones, while a child has as many as 350. They are connected by cartilage, which promotes growth and makes the skeleton more flexible. Later, as we get older, some cartilage turns into bone. The largest human bone is the femur, and the smallest is the stirrup in the middle ear. Children's bones are dominated by organic substances. Their bones are flexible and resilient, but they can become bent if they are subjected to excessive stress or if hygiene is not followed. For example, if they sit at a desk with an incorrect posture. With age, the content of inorganic substances in bones increases. As a result, the bones of adults become stronger but more fragile, break more often, and fractured bones fuse more slowly. Gustav Eiffel used the principle of the structure of the spongy substance of bones to build his world-famous tower. Bones support and protect internal organs such as the brain, lungs, and heart. They store minerals that the body needs and produce our blood cells. Our muscles are attached to our bones, so we can perform a variety of movements. Human bones can support loads per unit surface that are 2.5 times greater than granite and almost 30 times greater than bricks. For example, a human femur in an upright position can withstand a load of 1.5 tons. Bones are as hard and resilient as concrete. We've covered the functions of bones, their chemical composition, structure, and how they interact with muscles.